In a world with millions of websites and website developers, standing out seems impossible. Fortunately, almost all of them are easy to beat with a well-made real estate website. For one, most developers do not possess the technical skills to create a high-performance custom real estate website. Secondly, they don't have design training, which provides knowledge of visual hierarchy, contrast, color balance, and other very important design concepts. In other words, their website won't produce clients. That's great news for you. Generally speaking, so-called website developers simply install WordPress with a free theme and customize the colors and images using the basic user interface. Then, they add poorly written content throughout. It may be cheap, but don't expect to generate sales with it. A cheap website works like a business flyer and nothing more. In this video, you'll learn the difference. Then, just focus on what's important, putting keys in the hands of new homeowners. When you use a highly trained and experienced full-stack real estate website developer and designer, you will gain unlimited design freedom. That means you'll receive a website that performs very well. According to W3 Schools, a full-stack web developer is a person who has all the appropriate skills. This is how W3 Schools defines a full-stack web developer. Quote, "In addition to mastering HTML and CSS, a full-stack web developer also knows how to program a browser, like using JavaScript. Additionally, they can program a server, like using PHP. Finally, they can program a database, like using SQL. Although that probably sounds like techno mumbo-jumbo, it's highly critical for real estate website performance. Now for your freedom. That lies in the design itself, when using a well-rounded real estate website developer and designer. First, good designers understand the latest design trends. They also know how to create a design that looks great and is easy to follow from the first time it's viewed. In other words, it requires skills and talent, which I'll elaborate next. Skillful design promotes peace and happiness. As such, a skilled and talented web designer takes your website to the top by utilizing and optimizing every design concept for UX, or user experience. UX design concepts include visual hierarchy, contrast, color balance, and many others. That means your website visitors will experience peace and happiness naturally, as they're directed through your beautiful content very effectively. Once your real estate website designer finishes, you'll view your design multiple times from drawings to final product. That means you won't have the eyes of the beholder, your first-time visitor. To understand what the eyes of the beholder perceives, knowledge of the published studies is critical. These studies reveal how people react to various design elements when viewed for the first time. Design knowledge is priceless. And since most website visits come from first-time visitors, that's the most important perspective to follow. When you trust the data and allow your talented designer to have the reins, visitors stay longer, explore more, and turn into quality leads. Remember, your online visitors are on your real estate website to explore your area and find an ideal property. If they're not happy with your website, they'll visit one from your competitor, since they just want to find something that works well. Therefore, lead them to their new home comfortably, using a design based on all of that knowledge. The importance of high performance. There are two reasons why your website must perform well: visitor satisfaction and SEO, or search engine optimization. To elaborate, it all comes down to speed and functionality. A high-performance real estate website loads fast. Online visitors generally leave after 2 seconds if your website isn't loaded. Because of that, page load speed affects SEO. Google actually rates low-performance websites very poorly regarding search results. As such, slow pages show up last in search results. The next performance mention is mobile responsiveness. A responsive real estate website design is all about looking good on all devices. As such, a responsive IDX website design automatically adjusts to different screen sizes and viewports. These include PCs, laptops, tablets, and phones. Each type of device comes in various sizes. That means it takes real technical skill to get it right on all devices. Next comes your website functionality. It's essentially what your website does and how it works. Additionally, it encompasses everything from user interactions to dynamic content. Providing the right functionality is critical for the success of your IDX real estate website. That means it's an essential part of the planning phase. It's good to know that a skilled IDX real estate website developer will anticipate what is needed ahead of time. Finally, there are important visual effects to consider. Nowadays, people get bored very easily, and that's amplified online due to the visual nature of the web. That means keep online visitors visually intrigued. Doing this right takes skill and talent. So if you aspire to be the best real estate professional in your region, I'm sure you know that you need the best website, both functionally and visually, and one that converts visitors into real leads. Therefore, schedule an appointment with me today so I can share some great options with you in a Zoom meeting. Just visit Hixonic.com now and click Contact at the top, or click the Join Waiting List button. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you today.